Hello and welcome to Niharika. Becoming a parent is one of the most beautiful experiences, but it can also feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to caring for your baby. In this video, I'll share essential baby care tips that every parent should know to keep their little one healthy, safe, and happy. Let's start with feeding your baby. For newborns, breast milk is the best source of nutrition, providing essential nutrients and immunity. If breastfeeding isn't possible, formula feeding is a healthy alternative. Just ensure bottles are sterilized properly. Feed your baby on demand, and watch for hunger cues like sucking fingers or turning the head side to side. Next is sleep care. Babies sleep a lot, but safe sleep is extremely important. Always place your baby on their back to sleep, on a firm mattress, without pillows, blankets, or soft toys. This helps reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome. Creating a calm bedtime routine can also help your baby sleep better. Diapering and hygiene are daily essentials. Change diapers frequently to avoid rashes. Clean gently using warm water or baby wipes, and always dry the area before putting on a fresh diaper. Applying a diaper rash cream can help protect sensitive skin. Now let's talk about bathing your baby. Newborns don't need daily baths, 2 or 3 times a week is enough. Use lukewarm water and a mild, baby-safe soap. Always support your baby's head and never leave them unattended during bath time. Skin care is another key area. Baby skin is delicate, so choose fragrance-free and gentle products. Moisturize if the skin feels dry, and avoid overusing powders or creams. Dress your baby in soft, breathable fabrics suitable for the weather. Don't forget health and safety. Keep up with vaccinations as recommended by your pediatrician. Wash your hands before handling the baby, and limit exposure to sick individuals. Always support your baby's head and neck when carrying them. Finally, remember that emotional care is just as important. Talk to your baby, smile, cuddle, and respond to their cries. This builds trust, strengthens bonding, and supports healthy emotional development. Parenting is a journey of learning every day. Trust your instincts, stay patient, and enjoy these precious moments. Thank you for watching Niharika. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baby care tips.